The human mind possesses a remarkable capacity to envision and subsequently achieve ambitious goals. Before a champion attains victory, a groundbreaking discovery unfolds, or a dream manifests into reality, the initial blueprint is conceived within the realm of mental visualization. This principle forms the scientific basis for visualization techniques. From accomplished athletes and esteemed artists to visionary leaders and individuals pursuing personal growth, a potent force underlies success. This force transcends mere luck or inherent talent. It is the ability to anticipate and mentally prepare for future outcomes. The brain, a complex and sophisticated organ, processes vast amounts of visual information, interpreting, organizing, and storing data to shape our perception of reality. Exploring the potential to consciously influence this process raises compelling questions. Could actively imagining a desired scenario positively impact the actual outcome? Neuroplasticity, the brain's inherent capacity to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life, provides a compelling framework. Research indicates that visualizing an action activates neural pathways akin to physically performing the same action. This suggests a diminished distinction, at a neurological level, between imagined and real experiences. Empirical studies support this assertion. In one study, basketball players who practiced free throws and those who solely visualized the action exhibited comparable rates of improvement. Similarly, piano players who mentally rehearsed intricate musical pieces demonstrated neurological benefits similar to those who engaged in physical practice. The true potential of visualization lies within the subconscious mind, an unseen force influencing habits, decisions, and deeply held beliefs. The subconscious mind, constantly receptive, absorbs thoughts and emotions. When these thoughts are dominated by doubt, fear, and negativity, they can inadvertently undermine success. Conversely, cultivating confidence, clarity, and purpose within the subconscious mind can yield transformative results. Successful individuals recognize the significance of internal dialogue. Positive self-talk, affirmations, and visualization serve as more than mere motivational tools. They are the strategic blueprints for constructing a desired future. Harnessing the power of visualization requires a systematic approach. The process begins with dedicated practice. Step 1. Establish a consistent visualization routine in a quiet, distraction-free environment. Step 2. Develop a vivid and detailed mental representation of your desired future, experiencing it as if it were occurring in the present moment. Step 3. Engage all the senses. Visualize the aroma of fresh ink on a newly published book, hear the applause of an audience after a successful presentation, and feel the satisfaction of accomplishment. Visualization has the potential to transform various aspects of life, including career advancement, health recovery, and relationship fulfillment. Challenges should be addressed by visualizing successful resolutions, reinforcing the human spirit's innate resilience. Confidence, motivation, and unwavering belief are the outcomes of consistent and purposeful visualization. Achieving lasting change necessitates making visualization a habitual practice through daily reinforcement, a commitment to envisioning possibilities beyond the present circumstances, and a dedication to reshaping one's internal narrative. Tracking progress, celebrating milestones, and viewing setbacks as opportunities for learning are crucial components, as growth is rarely linear. The power to shape one's destiny resides within the mind. The envisioned future becomes the reality of tomorrow. The pivotal question is, what vision will you choose to cultivate? Now is the opportune moment to engage in this process. Close your eyes, visualize your desired life, experience it fully, and believe in its attainability. Then, upon opening your eyes, take the first concrete step toward realizing that vision. Another challenge to achieving success: procrastination. Procrastination, a subtle but pervasive obstacle, silently erodes productivity and hinders progress. It operates by deferring tasks and commitments, often under the guise of waiting for an ideal moment that rarely arrives. Procrastination, in essence, robs individuals of valuable time and opportunities. Understanding the underlying causes of procrastination is crucial for overcoming its detrimental effects. It is not merely a manifestation of laziness or a lack of willpower, but rather a complex interplay of cognitive and emotional factors. The science of procrastination. A deeper understanding of procrastination requires examining its neurological underpinnings. It arises from the dynamic interaction between the limbic system, which prioritizes immediate gratification and avoids discomfort, and the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for rational planning and long-term goal setting. Procrastination occurs when the limbic system overrides the prefrontal cortex, leading to the deferral of important tasks in favor of more pleasurable activities. Psychological research has identified several key factors contributing to procrastination, including fear of failure, perfectionism, feelings of overwhelm, and the desire for instant reward. These factors can create a mental barrier, convincing individuals that delaying a task will somehow alleviate the perceived burden, despite the reality that it often exacerbates it. The cost of procrastination. The consequences of procrastination are significant and far-reaching, encompassing missed deadlines, increased anxiety, diminished self-esteem, and unrealized aspirations. It creates a sense of regret and frustration stemming from the awareness of unfulfilled potential. Studies have demonstrated that chronic procrastination is associated with elevated stress levels, decreased academic and professional performance, and even adverse health outcomes. This creates a negative cycle in which procrastination leads to increased stress, which in turn further reinforces the tendency to procrastinate. Recognizing procrastination triggers. Identifying the specific triggers that lead to procrastination is a crucial step toward overcoming it. These triggers may include a fear of imperfection, apprehension about starting a task, or susceptibility to distractions. Taking a moment to reflect on the rationalizations used to justify procrastination is essential. Common excuses, such as, "I work better under pressure," or "I'll start when I feel ready," are often deceptive. The reality is that there is no perfect time to begin. The only time is now. A strategic approach is needed. Procrastination is a common obstacle to achieving goals. Adopting a productivity-oriented mindset is crucial for overcoming this challenge. Cultivating a growth mindset, one that views challenges as opportunities for development, is fundamental. Success is predicated not on passively awaiting optimal conditions, but on proactively establishing them. While time management tools offer assistance, a robust mindset serves as the bedrock for sustained productivity. Individuals who successfully combat procrastination prioritize discipline over fleeting motivation. Practical strategies for overcoming procrastination. Implementing concrete strategies is essential for mitigating the effects of procrastination. Initiate with incremental tasks. Deconstructing complex projects into smaller, manageable components reduces the perceived difficulty and facilitates commencement. Minimize environmental distractions. The surrounding environment exerts a significant influence on behavior. By minimizing distractions through the deactivation of notifications, establishment of boundaries, and creation of a dedicated workspace, focus and productivity can be enhanced. Establish accountability mechanisms. Sharing objectives with a trusted peer, mentor, or professional network can provide valuable support and encouragement, thereby increasing adherence to commitments. Leveraging tools and techniques for enhanced productivity. Technology can serve as a valuable tool in combating procrastination when strategically implemented. Productivity applications, such as Todoist, Notion, and Trello, can facilitate task organization and progress monitoring. The Pomodoro technique can optimize focus by structuring work into short, concentrated intervals. The Eisenhower matrix aids in prioritizing tasks based on their respective urgency and importance. Mindfulness practices offer further benefit. By cultivating the ability to focus on the present moment, individuals can enhance their capacity for intentional action, sustaining momentum and cultivating long-term productivity. Overcoming procrastination is an ongoing process requiring sustained effort. Acknowledge and celebrate progress. Each incremental step forward represents a meaningful achievement. Prioritize the cultivation of consistent habits over sporadic bursts of activity. Adopt a proactive approach by anticipating potential challenges and preparing accordingly. Intervene before procrastination manifests. Visualize a future characterized by proactive engagement and accomplishment. Envision consistently meeting deadlines and achieving goals with clarity and confidence. The decision to act rests with the individual. Procrastination can impede progress. However, individuals possess the agency to control their time and actions. The opportune moment for decisive action is now. Initiate by selecting a single task, regardless of its magnitude, and commence immediately. Future success awaits. If this discussion has provided valuable insights and inspired a desire for enhanced time management, consider subscribing to this resource. Join a community of individuals committed to proactive engagement and the effective utilization of time. To contribute to this community and receive ongoing insights, click the subscribe button and activate notifications. Embrace the present moment and seize the opportunity for enhanced productivity.